Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is mathematical expectation. In this topic we are going to learn raw moments and central moments. So let us start with the first point, raw moments. Raw moments are divided into two types. The first raw moments are raw moments about origin, and the second type is raw moments about any point, any arbitrary point A. So we shall start with the first type of raw moment, raw moments about origin. Raw moments are denoted by mu r dash. So let us start with the definition of rth raw moment about origin. If a random variable x assumes the values x1, x2, xn with probabilities p1, p2, pn respectively, then the rth raw moment about origin of a random variable x is defined as mu r dash is equal to expectation of x raised to r. Since we are going to study the discrete random variable, it is calculated by summation xi raised to r into pi, where I is from 1 to n. Here we taken the definition of rth number raw moment about origin, where r is 1, 2, 3 up to n. Now we shall see the particular cases of raw moment about origin. Let us take the first particular case. If r equal to 0, we get put r equal to 0 in mu r dash, we get mu 0 dash is equal to summation xi raised to 0 pi. So it is summation of pi, probabilities of a random variable x. We know that the sum of all probabilities is 1, therefore mu 0 dash is equal to 1, means the 0 number raw moment about origin is always 1. We shall take the second particular case. If r equal to 1, we get mu 1 dash is equal to expectation x raised to 1. So it is summation xi into pi, which is nothing but the mean of random variable x. Therefore mu 1 dash equal to mean. These are the two particular cases of rth raw moment about origin. Now we shall see the second type of raw moment, raw moments about any value a, any arbitrary value a. Let us start with definition. The earth moment about any value a. It is also denoted by mu r dash. If a random variable x assumes values x1, x2, xn with probabilities p1, p2, pn respectively, then the earth moment about any value a is defined as mu r dash is equal to expectation of x minus a raised to r, which is summation xi minus a raised to r into pi, I equal to 1 to n. This is the definition of earth moment about any value a. Now we shall see the particular cases. The first case is if r equal to 0, we get mu 0 dash is equal to summation xi minus a raised to 0 into probability pi, I is 1 to n. Since xi minus a raised to 0 is 1, so it is summation pi 1 to n, and we know that the sum of probability is always 1. Hence mu 0 dash is 1 in case of earth raw moment about any value a also. Now second particular case is if r equal to 1, we get, substitute the value of r equal to 1 in mu r dash, we get mu 1 dash equal to summation xi minus a raised to 1 into pi, I is 1 to n. So it is xi minus a into pi. Multiply pi inside the bracket, we get mu 1 dash equal to summation xi pi minus a into pi. After taking summation inside the bracket, we get summation xi into pi minus, as a is constant, we shall take a outside the summation sign. We know that summation xi into pi is expectation of x minus a into sum of probabilities 1. So it is expectation of x minus a. Therefore expected value of x is equal to a plus mu 1 dash. This is the particular case of earth raw moment about any value a. Now we shall start with the second point, moments about mean, or they are also known as central moments. Let us see the definition of central moments. Central moments are denoted by mu r. If a random variable x assumes values x1, x2 up to xn with probabilities p1, p2 dot dot pn respectively, then the earth's central moment of random variable x is defined as mu r is equal to expectation of x minus mean. Here mean is expectation x. So expectation x minus expectation x raised to r, which is equal to summation I is 1 to n xi minus expectation x raised to r into pi. This is the earth central moment of a random variable x. We shall see some particular cases of central moments. Let us start with the first particular case. If r equal to 0, we get mu 0 is equal to summation xi minus expectation of xi raised to 0 into pi, which is equal to, so it is summation xi minus expectation x raised to 0 is 1, summation of pi and which is 1. Therefore mu 0 equal to 1. This is the first particular case of set. Now we shall take the second case. If r equal to 1, then mu 1 equal to summation xi minus expectation x raised to 1 into pi, which is equal to summation xi pi minus expectation x into probability I. By taking the summation inside the bracket, we get mu 1 equal to summation xi into pi, I is 1 to n, minus, as the expected value is a number, we can take outside the summation of pi. Since summation xi pi equal to expectation of x minus expectation of x into sum of probability is 1, so it is expectation x minus expectation x, which is equal to 0. Therefore mu 1 equal to 0. Hence the first central moment is 0. These are the particular cases of central moment. We shall see some example in order to elaborate the moments in more detail. So let us start with the solved examples of moments. First we shall start with the raw moments. Here we have given a PMF and we have to calculate the first 4 raw moments. So we shall start with the example 1. If x is a random variable with following PMF, then find the first 4 raw moments about origin. Now we will calculate the moments one by one. We shall start with the first raw moment mu1 dash, which is equal to expectation of x, which is summation xi into pi. I is equal to 0 to 3. Here x takes value 0, 1, 2, 3. So we shall calculate it as first value is 0 multiplied by its probability 1 by 3. We have already seen examples on expectation in the previous lecture. According to that lecture, I am calculating the expected value of x. If student want to learn how we calculate the mathematical expectation and what is mathematical expectation, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also given in the description box. Next value is 1 with probability 1/2. Third value is 2 with probability 1 by 24. And the last value is 3 with probability 1 upon 8. So it is mu1 dash equal to one half plus 2 upon 24 plus 3 by 8. We will simplify this equation by taking the LCM. We get LCM is 48, 24 plus 4 plus 8, which is equal to 46 divided by 48, and that is 23 by 24. Therefore, the first draw moment about origin is 23 by 24. This is the first draw moment about origin. We shall calculate the second draw moment about origin as mu 2 dash, which is equal to expected value of x square is equal to summation xi square into pi. I is from 0 to 3. So it is, the first value is 0 square into its probability is 1 by 3 plus second value is 1. So it is 1 square into 1 upon 2, 2 square into 1 upon 24 plus 3 square into 1 by 8. So it is 0 plus 1 by 2 plus 4 upon 24 plus 9 by 8. By taking LCM, we obtained 12 plus 4 plus 27 divided by 24. So it is 43 divided by 24. This is the second draw moment about origin. We shall calculate the third draw moment about origin. The 3 dash equal to expectation of x cube, which is equal to summation I equal to 0 to 3 xi cube into probability of I. So it is 0 cube into 1 upon 3, 1 cube into 1 half, 2 cube into 1 by 24 plus 3 cube into 1 upon 8. So it is 0 plus 1 by 2, 8 by 24, 27 upon 8. By taking the LCM, (24) plus 16 plus 162 divided by 48, which is equal to 202 divided by 48, which is 101 divided by 24. Hence, mu3 dash is equal to 101 divided by 24. This is the third raw moment about origin. Now we shall calculate the fourth raw moment, mu4 dash equal to expectation x raised to 4 summation xi raised to 4 into pi. I is 1 to I is from 0 to 3, since our values start from 0. Zero raised to 4 into 1 by 3. One half plus 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 1 by 24 plus 3 raised to 4 into 1 upon 8. So it is 0 plus 1 by 2 plus 16 by 24 plus 81 upon 8. After taking the LCM, we get 12 plus 16 plus 243. So it is 271 divided by 24. Hence, mu 4 dash, the fourth raw moment about origin, is 271 upon 24. These are the 4 raw moments about origin. Now we shall take the second example for calculating central moments. Here the probability distribution of a random variable x is given below, with values of x as -2, 3 and 1, with their corresponding probability 1 by 3, 1/2 and 1 by 6. Find out the first 4 central moments. We know that the first central moment is always 0, as we have seen in the particular cases of central moment. So we shall start with the second central moment, mu2, which is equal to expectation x minus expected value of x bracket square. Here the expected value of x is not given, so we shall calculate first the expected value of x, which is summation xi into pi. So it is -2 into 1 by 3 plus 3 into 1/2 plus 1 into 1 by 6. So it is expectation x equal to -4 plus 9 plus 1 upon 6. After taking the LCM, we get it is 6 upon 6 equal to 1. Therefore, mu2 equal to expectation of x minus 1 square, which is equal to summation xi minus 1 bracket square into probability I. The first value of x is -2, so it is -2 minus 1 bracket square into its probability is 1 by 3. Second value is 3, so it is 3 minus 1 bracket square into 1/2, and last value is 1, so it is 1 minus 1 square into 1 by 6. So it is 9 by 3 plus 4 by 2 plus 0. So it is 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. So second central moment is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. We shall calculate the third central moment, mu3, is equal to expectation of x minus expectation x bracket cube. Since expected value of x in this example is 1, so it is expectation x minus 1 bracket cube, which is summation xi minus 1 cube into probability I. By substituting the values of x and pi, we get minus 2 minus 1 cube into 1 by 3 plus 3 minus 1 cube into 1 upon 2 plus 1 minus 1 cube into 1 by 6, which is equal to minus 27 by 3 plus 8 by 2 plus 0. So it is minus 9 plus 4, which is equal to minus 5. Therefore, mu 3 is equal to minus 5. This is the third central moment of x. Now we shall calculate the fourth central moment, mu 4. Mu 4 equal to expectation x minus expected value of x raised to 4, which is x minus 1 raised to 4, since the value of expectation is 4. It is summation xi minus 1 raised to 4 into probability I. So which is, after substituting the values of x and probability, we get minus 2 minus 1 raised to 4 into 1 by 3, 3 minus 1 raised to 4 into 1 upon 2, and last value is 1, so it is 1 minus 1 raised to 4 into 1 upon 6, which is equal to 81 by 3 plus 16 by 2 plus 0. So it is 27 plus 8 equal to 35. Hence, the fourth central moment is 35. In this way, we can calculate the raw moments and central moments. In this lecture, we learn the types of moments, raw moments and central moments. Further, we learn the raw moments about origin and raw moments about any value a. Along with these types of moment, we learn how to calculate the raw moments and central moments. If students like this lecture, then click on the like button and share with your friends in order to learn the statistics in simple and easy way. In the previous lecture, we have already taken many more concepts from the mathematical expectation. If students want to learn that lecture, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and a link of that playlist is also given in the description box. Students are further requested to subscribe Learn Statistics channel for the upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.